You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. I know the spelling makes it a bit confusing, and I believe it comes from French, Richard, originally, which is probably why it's a bit confusing. In English, you have one main pronunciation, and we'll look at the US as well. Richard, that's British English, UK. It's an E sound, a short E. Richard. In British English, the R is not really pronounced, while in American English, the US pronunciation, Richard, is how it's pronounced in the US. Richard. And so, Richard, British English, UK pronunciation, Richard. American pronunciation, Richard. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.